Welcome to another video from LordEddington, and today I'm going to be doing something different. Today I'm actually going to be kind of teaching you a bit of computer science because I figured, because I know a lot, it'll be nice to share some stuff I know with you. If you don't have a lot of knowledge of computing and technology, I thought it would be good to maybe teach you some stuff about it. So today I'm going to do a quick video about different examples of memory types, basically. So, yeah, we're first going to start off with these things called flash memory, basically. They're commonly found in things like USB sticks, memory cards, solid-state drives, and mobile devices. And they're extremely good for portable use. They're very resistant to sudden drops, damages. Basically, they don't have any moving parts in them, and so unlike just hard drives, which have a moving disk in them, it's basically very hard for I don't know, like memory cards or like a SSD to a sudden jolt for it to I think, yeah, hard drives basically can crash if I have inside they're on something that's vibrating or they get dropped. The disk inside can get damaged too. And basically, with flash memory, because there's no new moving parts, it's just a board with a bunch of memory chips on it. So basically, it's very hard to damage an flash drive. Basically, depending on the drive, they can be very fast flash storage, especially just SSDs and some mobile phones. Like basic stuff like file arrangement, moving, and other things like if when you boot your computer or phone, turning it on, it loads up pretty fast. It's because there's no you don't have to wait for. I'm gonna have to reference the hard disk again, because with the hard disk, when you turn something on, you have to wait for the hard disk to spin up and then find the info and then start loading that info into the rest of the computer. Rather than flash storage, it's instant basically. Yeah. So there's a lot less wait time for something to load. Flash storage can be damaged from if you use the wrong kind of power input, because it can suffer from overheating and basically fry the PCB and board and chips inside. And other things. Next, we're going to look at magnetic memory. This is found in hard drives, floppy disks, and tape drives. Basically, magnetic memory is good for desktop and enterprise usage because it lasts longer than flash memory. It has a lot longer life expectancy, basically. For example, if you have a network, storage, server, private cloud thing going on, in your business or even your home somewhere, you could have a bunch of hard drives in it, running 24/7, and the hard drives will be fine. Rather than an SSD, potentially could overheat, as I said a minute ago. So, magnetic memory can be easily damaged because most of them have moving parts in them, such as set hard drive. Floppy disks aren't as bad because floppy disks are meant to be portable. And then tape drives, you may not know a lot about tape drives. So basically, tape drives is like a long-term emergency backup kind of storage that most big enterprises use. So basically, you can back everything on your server onto a giant tape drive, and basically tape drives can actually last for quite a long time, so it's good for emergency backups. So anything else I have to say? Oh yeah, it's not as portable as flash and optical memory. I basically mean they're on hard drives and tape drives because they're big and bulky, basically. Most laptop and smaller hard drives these days are a bit more portable, but due to them being still having a disk in them, I wouldn't recommend them as portable, especially not as portable as flash storage. So yeah, that's that. Last we have optical memory. optical memory is probably one of the easy ones to understand. Basically, optical memory is like things like CDs, DVDs, Blu-ray, and like disc kind of mediums like that. Very portable because it's literally just a disc, isn't it? Like you got your DVDs, they're portable. They have them in like a little case. Buy them at Asda. It's even slower than the discs you'll find in like a hard drive. Just because well, you stick the disc in, don't you? And then, there's a laser what goes around the disc as the disc is spinning and then finds the information. And usually it really depends on that disc drive, how fast that is. But initially, like CDs and DVDs are pretty slow. So it's not good for straight up like software and things like that on them. Good for, well, DVDs, you're watching a movie on them. Good for that. If it's an installer, that's fine by me, because you only need to move the information off once. Discs can be easily damaged by scratches. I think everybody knows that. I mean, come on. Yeah, because of the back layer where the data is written to and read off, it can be easily scratched, and that just lowers the luck of your disk drive being able to read it because it's so scratched up, and laser won't be able to find the data, and basically it'll get stuck and say error, can't read it, and basically split the disk out. So yeah, that's basically what we learned about different types of memory: flash storage, magnetic memory, and optical memory. So yeah, hope you like that. If you want me to teach more computer science, I would love to. It's pretty quick to make, and I like it. Yeah. See you next time.